Did you know a single bolt of lightning contains enough energy to cook 100,000 slices of toast? Imagine the power of nature harnessed to make your breakfast. Sounds unbelievable, right? Lightning strikes carry an immense amount of electrical energy. In fact, one strike can generate up to 1 billion volts. To put that into perspective, it only takes about 120 volts to power a standard toaster. So, the next time you see a lightning storm, think about all those slices of toast. Amazing, isn't it? Nature's power is truly astonishing. Imagine what we could do if we could harness it safely. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders around you.